National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Polk County in northwestern Georgia, northwestern Fayette County in north-central Georgia, east central Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, Cobb County in north-central Georgia, Douglas County in north-central Georgia, north-central Coweta County in west-central Georgia, northwestern Clayton County in north-central Georgia, Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3 time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sandy Plains to Douglasville to near Clem, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Excuse me.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Marietta, Douglasville, Carrollton, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Smyrna, East Point, Kennesaw, Ackworth, Union City, Forest Park, Riverdale, Villa Rica, College Park, Powder Springs, Fairburn, Tyrone, Austell, and Hateville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-674-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The National Weather